Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I am going to be showing you me redoing my porch. So it used to be just like one of those rooms that was like a junk room type of thing, type of situation, whatever. Like you would just throw things in there and just like forget about them kinda. Everybody has one of those rooms. When I was younger, it used to be like, there used to be like a couch out there and TV out there, so I was like, I miss that. And I took it into my own hands and I was like, Mom, I'm redoing it. And I just cleaned it up. My friend helped me, but we first just cleaned it up, painted it, all that. You'll see it in the video, but it looks so much better than it did. Like, it's disgusting how it was at the beginning. I'm so, like, I just feel so much better about it, and it's so fun out there. I really wanted to turn it into like a filming room, and I still can. I will film out there probably, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. But that's what I had in mind, was to film out there. But we'll see if it ends up happening. But it's more of like a hangout area right now. Yeah, it looks way better than it did before. Also, it's July 2nd. I'm uploading this video on July 2nd. And I'm uploading every day until the 21st. So make sure you're subscribed. I'm also announcing the giveaway prizes and stuff. Like, I'm making a whole video for that. And it's going up on the 21st because we hit 5,000 subscribers. And I know I haven't uploaded in a while, whatever. I uploaded yesterday, but like before that I haven't uploaded in a while. Hopefully this makes up for it. But yeah, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the giveaway. And make sure you like this video if you like it, if you like the transformation, because it is pretty drastic. Let's just get on to the video. Okay, and this is what the porch ends up looking like. We got that table over there from TJ Maxx or Marshall's, I believe. The couch is from Wayfair, and this little poof thing is from TJ Maxx. And the rug is from Lowe's. And these lights are from Target, and I think we used about 3 boxes of them. And then this lamp, I have no idea where it's from. I've had it forever. But this little thing, again, I don't know where it's from, but the top of it just has a bunch of like alcohol on it. Not mine, but it's just there. I don't really care that it's there. Also, all of these shades are from Lowe's as well. And then you come over here and there's just a TV on top of this chest, which we're getting rid of this. And we're gonna get a TV stand, but I don't know when we're doing that. I have my Xbox in here, but I took it out, but I might put it back. I don't know. And then over in this corner, it's kind of a mess, but that's just like my dog's food and stuff over here. And that's just like a bucket of like her collars and like costumes and stuff that we have for her. And then just some like grocery bags, because plastic bags are banned where I'm from now. And I think in there is the textbooks that I'm selling on eBay. And then I don't know what's in there, but that'll probably get cleaned up soon. But it's not in the way, so I don't really care. But yeah, I think this turned out pretty good for like a little hangout area. It's definitely a transition from what it was before. So, I mean, I wanted to put a desk like over here so I could film in here, but it's not a big deal. I can still like just get a chair and film in here or whatever. But super cute to hang out in, and at night when it's just these lights on, it's like super pretty. But also over here on this little table, I have these little coasters. They're glittery and they're so pretty, from TJ Maxx as well. That's the end of that. That was the end of that video. I know the transformation is pretty crazy. At the beginning of what that room looked like was disgusting. So give it a thumbs up if I did a good job. Also, don't forget to subscribe because again, I'm uploading every day until the 21st and I'm doing a giveaway on the 21st. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you put on your post notification bell so you don't miss when the videos upload every day and you don't miss the giveaway video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video.